Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Wilson Staff Dynapower irons. Wilson has a long history of making great irons, and the new Dynapower continues that tradition. These irons are ideal for mid-high handicap golfers seeking extra distance and forgiveness in their iron play. Let's explore these impressive irons and see how they perform. The Dynapower irons have a rich history, dating back to 1956 when Wilson introduced a muscle back iron with innovative weight distribution, establishing themselves as a leader in the iron market. Fast forward to 2023, and Wilson has incorporated artificial intelligence for the first time in their irons to improve forgiveness and increase speed. In terms of design, the Dynapower isn't radically different from its predecessors, but it's more stylish, featuring a classic red and black color scheme that's sure to catch your eye. Over the ball, the Dynapower feels less chunky compared to other game improvement irons from Wilson. The generous offset remains, but the thinner top line adds a touch of elegance without sacrificing power. When hitting the ball, the Dynapower delivers a satisfying, clicky sound, and a well-struck shot feels great, with the ball exploding off the face. These irons are particularly strong lofted, making the game easier for the average golfer. Thanks to AI methods, Wilson designed the Dynapower with the thinnest face ever, providing a larger hot spot on the club face, particularly in the center-to-toe area where 85% of shots are hit. Power holes on the sole of the club also contribute to maximum ball speed across the face. So, how do these irons perform on the course? The Dynapower is a great option for mid-high handicap golfers or players looking to upgrade their older clubs. Overall, the Dynapower irons are impressive and deliver on their promises. While they may not drastically outperform their predecessors, incremental improvements are typical in the golf industry. If you're in the market for new irons this year and need more distance and forgiveness, the Dynapower should definitely be on your list. That wraps up our review of the Wilson Staff Dynapower irons. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Product Critique, for more reviews on the latest golf gear and products. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching.